No, for real.
Burlington's got these, bro. So they got Legacy Gold, and they got Legacy Black in here. They got Legacy Black over there. This is gold right here.
That's crazy.
Burlington showing off with the bro. They selling Mahir Legacy the gold one for $100, bro. They join $25 online. They be getting old, man. Don't buy no dupes from the middle of the mall or from nobody that's in the mall. They go up in this Burlington. Well, let me in here. Get a cart. Or get a cart. See what they got going on over here.
All of y'all Ramoys. Got like 8 of them bitches. 830, I gotta see. That's the Kato person.
How much is it? 20?
Yeah.
Let me see. How much is it online?
Probably 17 if it's 20 in here. Sure.
Did they just put these in? No, they ain't re-up yet.
This one's 16.98. Because they got a white one and a black one. This is
Did y'all just put this shit up? Been out here.
see a whole bunch of Banana Republics. What's this? Oh, this is here black. Here Legacy Black.
I got some
Got the horse. That's the horse.
Online. So how much is it online? Somebody trying to rip it out the plastic already.
It's $23.99.
Online?
$23.99, $24.99.
I'm trying to see if... Oh, they got the stuff on the table too. Right. Check out this table because it look like they ain't restocked yet. It's Friday. I'm waiting. How much it is? 20? Yeah. Yeah. It's 100 man?
Yeah.
I guess I'm gonna bring a nautical voyage because I ain't got it. See what they got on this table over here.
Oh, man, for the Lord. For some reason, nobody having service right here.
I'll probably grab a nautical voyage. How y'all feel about that Zanzibar? I don't see too many people talking about it. They got that in Burlington. Burlington got a lot. They're starting to have a lot. So, if y'all want some good stuff for a good price, come to Burlington. It's probably gonna be like $2, $3 more, give or take.
Oh, it went back down. It's $20.
Is what?
$20.
What?
The Zanzibar.
Oh, shit. It's 26.
First it was 33. That's why I was like, wait a minute. I know I seen like the price had hiked up for real.
It's 20.
But it's like 40. It's 40% off, so it's $20.
See, look, they got Zanzibar for 26, right? What that like?
It's a black pepper and sea lavender, salty coconut water, and iris, based on vanilla and incense.
Let's get it off, bro. I don't buy it right here. Get it off,
Alright, let me just make sure I ain't missed nothing else. If I look on the table, they all saw it.
I'm gonna try it. They got a heck of a size in here.
I mean,
Whole bunch of size. I'm gonna try the Zanzibar. I'm gonna get it offline. It's $20 online. It's on sale. Versus 26 right here. So. Which one?
the Ram silver.
How much that is?
$16.99.
Yeah, I want to try that.
You don't get it?
Mm-hmm.
You don't have, which one you got?
I don't got none of them. But they say it's like Ultraman. And somebody says it's like a different note in there where you can tell them it's different.
Okay.
But push on the shell like it's different.
Alright, I guess we can see what they got.
Nothing down there, right?
No, not that.
All right. Everybody check the table out right over here. Shit. Check the table out, then we're gonna go to Bath and Body Works. See what they got. Yeah, damn. This can't be the re-up for the day. This can't.
Calvin Klein one shot, but it's for women.
What's that?
Calvin Klein one shot for her.
What's that?
One.
Ain't bad.
And then the Republic got a lot of, yeah, a lot. Velvet pomegranate.
That sounds good.
It do, it really do.
Pick that up. Ain't no notes on there?
It's $12.99 too. Let me see.
I gotta try that out. What's that? What's that velvet pomegranate? I don't know, meet me first.
I know. You see me look over?
It's already a little bitty. Shit. Bro, that velvet, what's it? Velvet pomegranate? That joint sounded crazy. About to see what that smells like. Velvet pomegranate. Yes,
I want to look
sir.
it up real quick.
We might gotta find a velvet banana republic.
Well, this Britney Spears prerogative, childish. What's the Oscar de la Renta Bella Night?
The heck?
Sound like it smells like somebody's grandfather. Tonka bean, tobacco and tonka bean.
Got that already.
Oh, how much is that? Oh, I can't pay $20 for this. This is Clinique My Happy. It's called Cookies and Kisses. We just got a quick question. Do you know if you guys had already put out everything for today in terms of fragrances?
Pretty sure, yeah. This will be everything. We don't got nothing in the bag.
Oh, all right.
Gas Man Forever. This is Burberry. Oh, this is Burberry Brit. For her, I'm not paying $30. $4.50 mil, sorry.
Jesus Christ.
Burberry for men. Clinique Cocoa and Cashmere. They piss me off.
Right. Because if it's cheap online, I'm ordering it right now for you.
Bullshit. I'm about to look online.
This a little 15 mil. Come on, with a little 15 mils, man. We ain't doing them little bitty bottles. Okay.
How much is it here? Oh my God, that's crazy. Look at you finding them.
That's
It's
crazy.
$30 in here though.
Oh, that's the, yeah, we got that one.
Right.
That's crazy.
They
Now, if it was
show
the
off.
amethyst, I might have grabbed it. But yeah, they definitely showing up, bro.
Yeah, they know for real.
Burlington's got these, bro. So they got Legacy Gold, and they got Legacy Black in here. They got Legacy Black over there. This is gold right here.
That's crazy.
Burlington showing off with
For real.
the Latifahs. The Middle Easterns all up in Burlington. Marshall's next. Once Marshalls get on board, man, they good. What we got in the cut?
You got the top of rim silver. Right? Yeah, rims. It says rims the top, but it has a silver ribbon on it, so that's the silver. Banana Republic. I don't know how you pronounce the word over top of that, so I ain't gonna try. But it's velvet pomegranate.
Banana Republic Velvet Pomegranate. Can't wait to see what that one smells like.
Baby pterodactyl arms, I can't reach it. And then nautical boots.
The Nautical Voyage. See what this Nautical Voyage smell like. Glasses. Little baby purse. You got it? Don't leave behind now. Oh, shit. Down the hall we go. The most emptiest mall in the city.
For real, like, this is why I would prefer to
See what they got going on around these parts. So I thought I was coming to Bath and Body Works, and this is what I see. Like, what the mall is trash, man. You got the overpriced people over here. All right, guys. So, man, we just left out that. I ain't show y'all because it ain't even worth showing y'all. We just left out the little fragrance store. Gave us these little tester strip. I just like, ooh.
It's just paper that they cut up.
Right. I would use a damn paper towel. Bro, they selling Mahir Legacy, the gold one, for $100, bro. They join $25 online. They be getting old, man. Don't buy no dupes from the middle of the mall or from nobody that's in the mall. You about to go to JCPenney's. See if JCPenney's got anything.
The dry down is way better than the initial start.
Yeah, the initial blast. See what they got in JCPenney. They might have something on sale. It's like something on fire in here. Already look around in here, see what they got. See if they got a fragrance section. See if they got anything on sale.
Oh, come on, baby.
Right over on the side of it. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna change from someone with the helmet.
Something burning.
Whatever this is.
Look around real quick. What's this? Is this a for?
Oh, it's called JCPenney Beauty.
Okay, we in JCPenney Beauty. Right, see what they got.
Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter.
Oh,
This
shit.
is the one that be $30
Why is it
at
50?
Walmart. And it's the same price online as $30, but then they got it for $50 a head. Unless it's some type of discount and they're going to knock it back down to $30. But I see between why it be delicious. I would love to leave climber instead of
Hello, how are you?
Alright.
How you doing?
Are y'all just looking around for right now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just looking.
Alright, you're in luck. All of our fragrances and fragrance gifts are 20% off today. And if you have any other questions, just reach out to me.
Ooh. I see some gift sets. I see Versace gift sets. I see sexual noir.
Damn.
Are you guys okay?
You go.
And what it's gonna actually do is,
What the hell happened? I wasn't even recording that.
I think it's the coffee beans. It just was the
I'm
whole
so
thing.
sorry. It just
Okay.
slipped right out of my hand. I deeply apologize.
No worries.
are you guys okay?
Everybody good?
Yeah, ain't not her.
Wait a minute, we gotta do this first. Excuse me, guys, let me just get all of this out your room.
Can't handle it. I'm gonna double check now. I'm gonna double check with this letter that I found.
Oh, we put the cart order in. Lord have mercy.
It's gonna be 50, 55.
Babe.
That's close enough. That's better than what we have right now.
You said what?
You have a great one, ladies.
He old.
Yes. like decrepit. I'm not. That's not me, man.
Nigga fat on the escalator.
That's not incense. You smell it?
She said he lost.
What she said?
People always, somebody fell down there before. Nah, I wish I was recording.
I know. He had that.
Damn, we could went viral, boy. Yo tried to bring a cart down the escalator and fell. I think the cart one time went first and he probably went behind it, man.
Yeah, he did. He was behind it because he.
I wish I was in front of that cut or behind that cut. I wish I was in front of that motherfucker came down. Oh, shoot. Well, y'all tried to take me out twice. Coffee, beans,
No, for real.
and then you gonna call the food? Or you change your mind?
Do you want me to change my mind?
Oh, I don't want you to change your mind.
In case you want something different.
Alright, get her seafood, boy.
Got the concrete bed, the headless shrimp,
Love
corn potatoes. I think I'm gonna do eggs instead of the sausage. That's too salty. I think I'm gonna do sausage. That's the one I'm gonna do.
Man, we ain't crafty crab because she want to boil. What else they got special? That's it? Just boils on special? Lord, see, look, I'm an outcast already. I ain't supposed to be here. Ain't nothing on the special but boils.
Hey.
Nothing on special but boils. Alright, so we got crafty crab. We about to get out of here, head to the house. It's time to go.
You can treat me up, put me up by my seafood bowl.
Alright.